Hey guys, today I'll be making barbecue chicken with Shan Tikka Masala. So let's get started. So what we'll be using today are half a cup of yogurt, 5 tablespoons of oil, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, Shan chicken tikka masala, and about 12 boneless skinless chicken thighs. So let's get started. First we will add all the ingredients and mix well. Then we're going to marinate it. I like to marinate it for about 3 hours. Prepare your barbecue. Then place the chicken on the barbecue. Barbecue each side for about 8 minutes. Make sure your chicken is fully cooked before you remove it from the grill. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and share my video.